This here is a booster pump for domestic cold water, and they're in parallel here, so got this one running while I take that one down. This one was leaking pretty bad, and as you can see, she's pretty spanked. Not in the good way. Let's see, look at that. Yep. So, needs a new seal and impeller and all of that, but typically, you want to also replace this brass sleeve. This is nowhere near as bad as some of them get, but your seal, which looks like this right here, that brass sleeve is going to ride on that right there, you know. So all of that's got to be very clean and well fitting. These brass sleeves, they fit on there real tight, so I'm going to show you a trick for getting it off. Just like that. Obviously, I don't want to get it so hot that I'm cooking the bearing, but it doesn't really transfer heat back through this shaft much because you're just heating that outer sleeve. Okay. Simple as that. But as you can see, people do cut these off, but that's not my preferred method because it takes a while and you might dick up the shaft and all of that. And then you can reheat the new one and get it to slide on there, and then once it cools down, it'll bind back up on the shaft.